Hey guys, ONYX team here. We are at Steady Garage. What started with one ONYX RCR 80V has quickly become now 3 in their shop. So we released this bike this year, mid-year. People who know Steady Garage love the aftermarket parts they make for similar bikes, and we just had to meet them. Now we are linked. Tim, Kevin are here. We're going over some of the customization options, which we're gonna integrate into these bikes, and that you watching will be able to pick from, choose from, buy with Steady Garage. Now we're here with Kevin, who obviously works and is really well known in the space at Steady Garage. Have you ever worked on an ONYX RCR 72V or 80V, and how'd you become familiar with the bike?
This is actually our first time seeing a ONYX in person. We haven't worked on one before, but we're really excited to do so. This bike, the configuration, the size, everything is perfect. It's right up our alley.
What are some of the stuff that you've already, since you've had this ONYX RCR 80V shorty here, worked on, and what is in the works that people can look forward to in the future?
First thing you'll notice is the headlight. We put a Baja design Squadron in there using the Chimera engineering mounting plate. Next thing you'll know is the forks. These are upgraded Gears Racing FFC 200 forks that has rebound, damping, and compression adjustments. And over on this side, you'll notice the gold Brembo brake caliper. We made a Chimera engineering bracket that will properly hold it and mount it in place. And inside here, you might not see it, but that's actually a titanium axle, so it's very lightweight, very strong. You can even torch it to bring some blue color to it. These are universal 12mm axle pullers or axle spool. These just mount right up just to add a little flare and protection. In case there's a spill, it'll grind here instead of damaging the fork.
Now this is obviously a shorty, but are you working on stuff for the standard? Can people on both heights be ready for some parts?
Oh yeah. Yeah, so there's gonna be parts available for the shorty, which you see here. And then on the standard length, we also have shocks and front foot for that as well.
So obviously you've had this one here for quite some time. Have you had a chance to ride it, and what are your first thoughts?
I rode it, I love it, and then I had the ability to switch it to hyper mode, which I didn't even know existed. And by far, the hyper mode is insane. As a motorcycle enthusiast and a rider, this is definitely needed. Yeah, I mean, so it's fun.
You liked it enough, or you enjoyed it, that you're gonna have this at AIM Expo, so I know people can expect to find you there, right? Mm-hmm. And I'm assuming that this is not what it's gonna be the final look. You have a lot in the works, right?
Yeah, we have a lot, so we'll probably post some and tease it once we're at the show. But if you're at the AIM Expo, please stop by our booth. It's gonna be labeled as Gears Racing and Steady Garage.
So obviously, if you're watching this, you follow ONYX Motorbikes, make sure you follow Steady Garage. Where's the best way to follow you?
It's Steady Garage on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and our website is steadygarage.com.
So stay tuned. Again, there's more in the works. Make sure you follow both, and we'll keep you posted.